Hello, welcome to this course. My name is Peter and I'm a business intelligence advisor working with global companies. There are multiple tools to visualize and analyze data, but difficult to become an expert in each one of them. Microsoft Power BI is one of the most powerful tools to transform, analyze, and visualize data, and it also develops interactive dashboards in minutes. In this course, we follow unique GCAO teaching pedagogy by Henry Harvin to learn data visualization and business intelligence using Power BI. We start with basics of visualizations and interactive dashboard, followed by creating a column chart, stacked bar chart, heat maps, combo chart, and interactive dashboard. After that, we learn to get started with Power BI Desktop and create bar graph, columnar chart, date table, data models, pie charts, various types of slicers, merge and append data, and my favorite topic, create interactive dashboards in Power BI. Not just that, I also have a bonus for you. I am also teaching you how to use R in Power BI. Bingo! Our training methodology will help you gain theoretical knowledge, gain practical experience, and develop capability to use it in the industry. Ready to dive in? Sign up for lifetime access of this course with project assignments, industry datasets, free sample files, and many more. Register now.